Hi everyone, welcome back. So today we have another quick comparison video. In this video I will share with you the two beautiful pouch from two different fashion house. One is here, this is the YSL Uptown pouch, and the other one is from the Louis Vuitton Neverfull pouch. I think if you have the new version, you probably know this is the size of the MM. So in today's video I will share with you the size comparison, also the price, as well as what can be fit. Also we'll add some model shots during the video. Before that, I also wanted to express my appreciation for those 2 years you've been with me. During these 2 years, I learned so much, and I go back to my first video. It was horrible because I don't know anything about the technical part. Every video I do is just without editing. It's just one shot. If between the video I did something wrong, I have to go over again and again. The video quality also not that good, but I appreciated that you be with me with the 2 years supporting me and always leave nice comments. I learned so much in those 2 years from the editing and also the quality of the video. My giveaway is in my Instagram page. I want everyone to join this giveaway. I will post my Instagram account, and feel free to go ahead to enter, and this is for everyone. I originally planned to give the Louis Vuitton item, but however I got really frustrated. I waited 1 month, I still couldn't get it, so I totally gave up. Instead, I choose something else I think is more practical and more useful. So if you're interested, please go to my Instagram, join me. And all the detail and the lure posted in that page. It's just a little gift from me to you. I really appreciate your time to watch my videos, and also I want to ask you what kind of video you guys interested in the future want me to do, and I try to post the valuable contents to you, and it can benefit everyone. If you have any requests for my future video, please feel free to comment below. I will definitely do. So this is the first part of this video, so let's go into the second part, comparison. This comes from the Neverfull. Mine is size MM. Feature of this one is the canvas, and my print is demi azure. Now Louis Vuitton, they do have the monogram and the demi-ebene, so at each print they have the pouch with that. They do have the GM, which is the bigger, and I believe they also have the PM. Right now the Neverfull PM is harder to get it. I heard that they're gonna discontinue. I don't know whether they're gonna discontinue or they still making. It's a very simple design. It's very flat. It's a canvas and only one piece of the untreated leather, which is this is the piece. Inside is I have the pink interior, and also had a pocket there, one pocket. Back there is nothing, just like a flat. This has the one D-ring on this side, so you actually can take off the strap and carry just like the clutch. Strap you can completely take it off from here, so like that. So you can use it as a clutch, just without the strap. Or you can use a wristlet like this. So either way, how you feel comfortable, how you feel stylish, this is the way you can choose to wear this piece. And this one you also can use, I do see people use this strap and click with this zipper pull and like this. So which I not really recommend it, because as you can see, this zipper pull it's pretty thin, so I don't want to eventually this zipper pull is broken. No, however, this because it's very flat, you can see this is a very flat piece, so I'm sure you're not gonna put it's like 5-pound stuff. It will put a lot of light stuff. So for the temporary, you can use this way. You also can have your own strap to But for the long term, I don't really recommend you to do that, because over the time this will be, broken. You never know. But this is the feature of this one. This is the YSL Uptown pouch. They have a couple different color of the pouch with a different colorware. The mine is 100% grand cow skin and with a gold hardware. Back doesn't have a pocket. Inside is no pocket with a fabric lining. So this is also very simple. Currently this one is a $475 in USA. However, you never need to pay full price because the YSL will have a sale, so you definitely can get the sale price. The one I have is $375. I got it from the Saks Fifth. And this one is from the Louis Vuitton. However, they don't sell individually, so you cannot get it from the store. However, you can get it from the pre-level market. They do sell around $300 to $360, so it's pretty pricey, I think. And now I'm gonna show you the side by side. As you can see, this is the size different. Of course, the GM probably same as the Uptown pouch. Height is almost the same. As you can see, it's almost the same height, and the deep also similar. Now I'm gonna show you what can be fit. I have the Victorian wallet, I have the pocket organizer, and I have YSL card holder, and this is my key collar. Inside I have a house key and also have some coins, so I just put it like that. And then the last one, I have my 7 Plus cell phone. I will quickly to fill this pouch. So as you can see, my wallet, my organizer, my key collar, and another card holder. Put my cell phone. And I close like that. So I have no problem to close this pouch with those so many stuff. So I will give it a screenshot as well. Here is everything that I put into the Uptown pouch. My 7 Plus phone, Victorian wallet, card holder, key clay, and pocket organizer. So I'm gonna transfer everything to the Louis Vuitton Neverfull pouch to see if everything can be fit. I try to fit everything, but doesn't look good. So I definitely will not carry my Victorian wallet because it's not necessary, right? So I already have the pocket organizer, also have the house key and the coins, the key clay, and I also have the card holder, my cell phone. Everything is there, as you can see, very clear. I can close without a problem, even though the zipper doesn't look nice, but I feel like it still has some room, so it's not bad at all. And the only thing I don't put it there is this wallet. So totally understand for this little pouch, you don't bring the wallet. Put one lipstick from the Chanel, that's my favorite lipstick, in top of that, and I can just close like this, so which is not bad at all. I have nothing to complain about this one. So if you are thinking to sell this one, I think better not. This one also can be a clutch. You wear a clutch in the morning. You bring the Louis Vuitton Neverfull to work, and during lunchtime you just use this one, go out for lunch with the friends, and that kind of really nice, and under your arm, or you can wear as a rest also. And if you really want it, then you can wear as a little bag. However, you have to open the zipper because it's like this, so which I'm not highly recommend it, but of course you can do that. So I highly recommend it, you guys, to get this one, and try to get it when it's on sale. I also highly recommend it, don't sell this piece from your collection. It's very useful, even though you haven't used it, but once you use, you will love it. So this is all I can talk about this one, and this, unfortunately, you can purchase individually. If the Louis Vuitton can purchase individually. I really want to get a GM size. I think this is good for the travel because you can put your password, your boarding ticket in here. It's so safe and so convenient. You will not miss the place. That's what I like about this one. Especially when I go for the travel, I always wear the Neverfull GM. Then I take my Neverfull MM's pouch as like a passport holder, or just for the document only, the boarding ticket only. So it's easier to locate it. When you go to outside, you just kind of mess up wrong. So with this one, you pretty much very organized. So I really don't want you to sell this piece from your collection. It's very useful. So that's all about today's video. I hope you guys enjoy, and I will see you very soon. Have a wonderful day. Bye bye.